Well, you probably don't need me to give you a big long list of all of the varieties of evergreen azaleas that you might be offered out there when you're thinking about getting plants for your garden. Lots of different colors, lots of different types, lots that flower at different flowering times, and not all of them are going to be the best performers. But what we try to do here at Overdevest in conjunction with our retail partners is to try and find varieties that we know are really good, tried and trusted varieties that we know are going to perform well in this region, and more specifically with working with our garden centers, ones that we know do well right there in your neighborhood. Now, over the years, plant breeders have selected ones that have been deliberately bred to be hardy and reliable here in our colder zones and warmer summers. And here's an example of what I'm talking about. This is Azalea Stewartsonian, a variety that was bred in Stewartstown, Pennsylvania by Joe Gable. Joe was a farmer who had a hobby, really, of breeding hardy azaleas. And he went out of his way to get hardy, reliable varieties, and this particular variety, which he named after his local town, Stewartstown, is one that is compact, hardy, and when all of these buds break open, you can be sure that this plant is going to explode in bright brick red flowers that will cover the entire plant. So if you're looking for a hardy, reliable, bright red flowering evergreen azalea that stays nice and compact and is a proven dependable variety for this region, then Azalea Stewartsonian is the one to put down on your wish list.